Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sly and today we're gonna explore Moscow at holiday lights. Let's see how beautiful it is. So many decorations. And it is snowing. At least it was snowing while I was riding the metro here. And here is the metro station I came from. And here is the street. By the way, it's -15 Celsius, so my screen of my phone is not working properly. It's freezing, you know. My phone is freezing because it's very cold. Look at these decorations. And this street looks amazing, especially with the snow on the ground. And every store, every restaurant is also decorated. And let's check out how safe it is to walk at night. Look at this. Every toy is shining. And let's check out the architecture. Here is the biggest children's store. It's like 5 or 6 story tall, and I will make a separate video about it because there are things you need to see, very unique things. And let's check the snowman. He has a nose, and this one has a carrot. Very nice. It's like handmade. Very cute. And look at this market for children. This is the street we came from. We're in the city center of Moscow, Russia. So let's check out. And let's see this architecture. Everything is festive. Copyrighted music. Let's try to avoid it. Oh, I really like these trees. And real snow. I really like how the snow complements the lights. It's really slippery, and it's actually even hard to talk because it's very cold and my mouth barely moving. All streets are very bright, so even at night it's no problem to walk. Wow, look at this building. Do you like the design, all the slides? Beautiful. Oh, I almost fell. It's difficult to film while walking on a snow, on ice, on icy ground. All these fancy restaurants. Please let me know in the comments if your city is decorated for holidays or not. And look, here is an actual ice. And look at this building. It's wrapped like a gift. So it's probably some nice shop or something. There are not many tourists. Most tourists I see are from Arab countries or from India. Let's just check out this street. Wow, it's like a frozen forest. How do you like it, guys? Frozen forest. There are so many toys, so many decorations, and nobody steals them. I'm seeing such frozen trees as a decorations for the first time in my life. You guys pointed out in the comments that my camera makes street look dark, but otherwise, if I will make it bright, all these lights will be overblown, overexposed, and you will only see white instead of details in the highlights. So I have to make it darker as it is in reality, because, you know, but these decorations, I love them. They are so gentle, so lovely. See what I mean? If I make the street look as I see it, like this, bright, then I turn camera to the store and everything is white. So I have to make it a little darker. I hope you know what I mean. And they are still installing new decorations. It's not finished one. So, oh, look at this guy from Shrek. Cool. Look, they're still installing some very interesting things. And we came back to the street we started our video. This is amazing. Okay guys, I hope you liked this walk, hope you liked what you saw, and leave a like and let's meet in another video. Bye.